here we are, right back end of Bluey's downstairs section. We are standing in what will be the bathroom. Behind us will be the bedroom, and in front of us will be the kitchen and living areas, but this is basically where the bathroom's going to be. Probably your favourite room, design-wise? Right.
The most important room of the entire boat is the bathroom.
The bathroom, yeah. And probably the one with the most technical challenges from the perspective of making a bathroom that feels like a normal bathroom.
Yeah, that's very important to me. The toilet is very important to me.
Shower's very important to me.
Yeah, and
I'd like a nice shower.
With all of it, it's very important that it can be cleaned properly. I hate too many ridges. I'd rather create something clean that is easy to clean.
A lot of old boat bathroom designs are pretty pokey and practical. I think what we both like is to have a bathroom that looks like it's in a modern flat.
Yes, absolutely.
But in a boat. And that's going to be an engineering challenge because all the water that accumulates in a bathroom has to then go up out of the boat somehow. You can't rely on gravity. So that's an engineering challenge for me. Design-wise, above us is what Mariah likes, and I tend to agree. I think it's some nice ideas. Take us through it.
Yeah, so I like the combination of light and dark, so something warm and a little bit more moody with something light. So I'm probably most drawn towards like terracotta type of color.
Like this over here with
mixed
the
with
sort of
clean white.
Orangey browny terracotta. Yeah, I like that.
I also like a quirky tile.
Big tiles might work.
Yeah, I think something with big tiles, but I do like a quirky print, so it's a challenge to find that. I'd like the toilet to look as normal as possible. Lighting in a bathroom needs to be soft and needs to be warm. If it can be something like this, I would be very happy.
Right, sounds good.